back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Sassy Angel's nail art and supplies. They sent me a box of this stuff and we're going to be doing a giveaway together, so I figured that I would unbox everything here for you guys. This way you can see everything that's included in the giveaway, like up close and personal. Here is the package, so let's open it together. Here's all the stuff that's included in the giveaway. So first and foremost, we have this Sassy Angel's cuticle oil that's strawberry vanilla cream flavored. The smell on this is so delicious. I love it a lot. Next thing on the list is this jelly gel. This is really good for like those textured lines, and it's very, very trendy right now, so like you need this in your kit. She's also sent nail charm glue and 3D solid gel. Everybody needs that in their kit as well. Next in the giveaway, we have the No Wipe top coat. Can I just talk about the logo? Like, that's so cute. It's like giving baddie. And then we also have a base coat, a primer, which is acid free, which you want, and a pH bond, which is great. Everybody needs these for long lasting nails. And I know she is planning on releasing some acrylics, so stay tuned for that. Get excited because it's gonna be getting real out here. She's supplying some files. One of them is 100 by 120 grit and the other one is 80 by 100 grit. You're also going to get 5 pods of glitter. You're also going to get a brush on glue from her. And then she's supplying with some liner brushes, and they're all double-edged. So this one is a 15mm on one side and a 20mm on the other side. And then there's a 5mm and a 7mm. And you have a 9mm by an 11mm. And then you're also getting supplied with a number 12 acrylic brush, which is a larger size. I use a size 12.
So that's why I received this size, but the giveaway winner will receive the size that they use.
Next, there are some tips here, and then the sizes are on the top. And these are square tips, no C-curve, which is awesome. And finally, you get a cute little Hello Kitty box of charms, which is super cute. You have a lot of cute ones. There's Kuromi in there. There's a lot of cute little Hello Kitty charms in there. So if that's your vibe, this is definitely the giveaway you want to enter into. This is like a really great box for like a beginner who's looking for all of the top trendy things that you'll need, like to start your nail journey, or even just to try new things if whatever you're using isn't working for you. There's a lot of cute things that are coming in this box. I definitely suggest entering the giveaway through my Instagram at Clawsbytasmia. All of the directions are going to be listed there. Just go on my page or Sassy Angel's page and you'll find the collaboration post with all the items in the giveaway, and it'll tell you how to enter. So I definitely suggest you doing that. It's super easy to enter and you can get some really fun nail products. So I really hope you liked this video, and I hope you liked everything in the box. What would you be the most excited to try out of this box? And let me know if you've seen Sassy Angel's Nails Art and Supplies page before. Let me know if you've tried any of her products or anything like this. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!